Hello everyone, today I am super excited to introduce you to a game changer in packaging design. Introducing you the all-new Pacdora. Pacdora is designed to make high-quality professional 3D packaging mockups, templates, etc. Whether you are a designer or a business owner, or just you are interested in learning about the packaging design, this video is for you. Trust me, you will stick around to see what it can do. Pacdora is a versatile design tool especially for packaging design. Imagining creating high quality customizable 3D mockups without need of heavy software or any complex skills. Plus it's completely online. Today I will show you a quick 3D mockup demo and awesome feature about the Pacdora. So let's get started. Alright, let's jump into the Pacdora's interface. As you can see, Pacdora has a clean, user-friendly layout. We are going to start by choosing a mockup template. Pacdora offers templates for almost any packaging type, boxes, bags, and etc. You name it. Here you can see there are such a many types of template you can scroll down through. So you can see mockups, template and guidelines. When I click in template and guidelines, here you will see there is a tons of guidelines and template available which can be downloaded and printable. You can download in whether in a Illustrator file or it can be printable. There are tons of category you will find, for example folding boxes, tug and boxes, display boxes, box with lid, etc. There are various type of packaging guidelines and templates you can scroll down through. Just by simply clicking on the template whichever you want or the diagrams you want, kindly click it and export it as per your quality. I have already one packaging design ready with me. So let's jump into directly to the mockup part. First I will select and click on the mockup and I will select the mockup which I like and which I want to. So I will just select this mockup and you can select whatever you want. Just click on that mockup. So you can see here is our mockup. For creating the mockup, just simply click on the upload your image. From here, you can add your packaging design. I have already added by testing it. So I will click here and it will add directly to my packaging template. So I will adjust the size according to the guideline. So here you can see we have adjusted our design according to the template. I have first downloaded the template guideline in my Illustrator and I have created the Illustrator of this packaging design. According to the template, I have created the packaging design and simply by coming to Pacdora website, I selected the template for which I want to create a 3D animated mockup, and after that I have uploaded my image in the add image section and here I adjusted the image which I want to create mockup and simply I will create save. Simply I will create save. It will load and it will give you an amazing 3D animated mockup within a minute. So you can see here it has given animated mockup. It is a high quality professional mockup within a second. Here you can change your quality. Here you can change the material of your packaging design. If I want the metallic, it can become metallic. If you want matte, it can become matte. If you want any type of material, you can simply select by here and export it as you want. For example, I want to create metal glossy. I will create the metal glossy and it will turn my packaging design into metal glossy. See, here you can see the quality of mockup is damn amazing, and for exporting simply click on the super export button and you will able to get it. For example, you want to export it as an image, you can export as a JPEG, PNG, 2K, 4K quality depending upon you. If you want to make a video, if you want to make an animation, for that you need just to click on back, click on the video and you will find amazing tons of animation, pre-made preset animation to apply on your packaging design. For example, let me click on and preview this. It will turn my packaging design into this animation, which is completely mind-blowing. Within a few clicks, you can create high-quality professional mockups like this. You don't need any heavy software, any complex skills. It's all online and you just need to make it possible by clicking through Pacdora. There are tons of animation. For example, I want this animation, I will create this and after that I will simply click on super export and here I will go to videos After that, I will select the MOV format or MP4 format, and simply I will select my settings and I will click on export now button, and boom, you are done. And you got completely high quality customizable 3D mockup within few clicks. So here is the quick review of the Pacdora. If you are serious about the packaging design, or you just want to test, or you just want to create a high skill mockup or level up your skill, yeah, I can recommend the Pacdora website for you. You just need to try out this website. This website is amazing when it comes to create high quality customizable 3D mockup online with only few clicks. Pacdora is the best. You will get the link for it in the description, and use my code MAT28 for flat 20% off discount. It is very cheap, and by applying my code it will get all cheaper. So just click on the link description below, check out the Pacdora official website, use my code MAT28 while checking out, will get the 20% initial discount immediately. So what are you waiting for? Go and check out, create high quality 3D amazing mockups, customizable mockup with a few clicks, and level up your game by creating mockups using Pacdora. I will see you in another video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. My name is Mustafa Ansari, signing off.